So welcome back to my quarantine kitchen, where we make the best of what we have at hand. Today we're making spaghetti with pesto. In this case I'm using the wild garlic pesto we made in another video. If you'd like to see how we made that, please click on the link in the top right hand side of the screen. This is so simple, we only need 3 ingredients. We need some dried spaghetti, 75 grams, 25 grams of parmesan, now remember there's some already in the pesto, and about 1 tablespoon of pesto. It doesn't matter if it's fresh or jarred, either will be great. Obviously in this case this is the homemade one. But first, as we are in a quarantine kitchen, let's wash our hands. Nice and clean. Okay, so before I'd wash my hands, I put a large pot of boiling water on the hob ready to go. Remember, this is a really quick lunch, so time is important. So as soon as the water is boiling, add about a tablespoon of normal salt. No point wasting the good stuff at this stage. Then straight in with the pasta, making sure it's all submerged and not sticking together. As soon as all the pasta is in the water, leave it to boil for about 7 or 8 minutes, or until the spaghetti is just the way that you like it. Now don't forget to give the spaghetti a mix now and then to stop it from sticking. It's been about 7 minutes now, so I'll check the pasta. I can see by stirring the pasta that it's still a bit too stiff, so I'll give it a minute and try again. Left it for a further minute and it's looking just about right, so I'll use the tongs to remove a piece and give it the old pinch test to see if it's cooked. Yep, that's perfect. To save on washing up, we simply transfer the spaghetti onto a frying pan with about half a tablespoon of olive oil. Don't worry if some of the cooking water from the spaghetti ends up in your pan, it's supposed to. Whoa, where do you think you're going, mate? Back in the pan. Now that all the spaghetti is nicely coated in the olive oil and the starchy cooking liquor, in goes a tablespoon of pesto. Make sure that you mix this in really well to ensure that every strand of spaghetti is evenly coated. Last, to ensure we have a lovely smooth dish, add just a splash more olive oil and 1 or 2 tablespoons of the cooking water into the spaghetti. Then make sure that you give it a really good toss to make sure everything is coated evenly, including picking up any stragglers as you go. And that's it, an easy 3 ingredient pasta lunch suitable to grace any quarantine kitchen. So that's it, just a few extra gratings of parmesan and a drizzle of olive oil, and here we have our spaghetti pesto. Now I hope you enjoy eating this as much as I did. If so, please like, subscribe and comment in the box below. And I'll see you next time in my quarantine kitchen.